to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randacia or Randy4Short, and in today's video, I am going to be showing my mid-year planner lineup and basically what I'm going to be using for the rest of 2020. So if you guys hear my son crying faintly in the background, it's because I actually moved my filming setup to a bedroom that's closer to his, and my husband is putting him to sleep right now, so he does not like it. He wants to stay up and party all night, but you know what, I got time for that. So okay, so let's start with my Frankenplanner. So this Frankenplanner is made up of 3 planners. So this planner is basically what I'm using as my personal one is the hourly that came with this cover. So that's like the main planner that I'm using. But plot twist, I'm not even using the inserts. So the inserts were hourly like this, and this is like a spread back from February. But recently I've been just DIYing my own spread. So that is one thing I use in here. And then another planner that's Frankenplanner in here is the budget planner from the Happy Planner. So I use this one, and then I use this one for my business. And then the last planner in here is my social media planner, which is the 18-month wrong that came out. I don't even know at this point, but it's the 18-month wrong. So that is what I'm using in this planner, my personal Frankenplanner. And then the next planner that I'm using, if you've been keeping up with my channel, then this planner is all too familiar. So this planner I'm using for my family's budget. So I do want to combine these two next year. So for 2021, I do want to have just one budget planner, but I didn't want this planner to go to waste. So I am using this one just for business, and nothing's really going on in here right now. Let's see, a spread. August. Did I switch into this? This is basically what it's looking like in here. So not much going on. So yeah, but like I said, I don't really want to waste it. So I do want to use it up and just, put it in the stash so that I can move on to just one planner in 2021 instead of having those inserts laying unused. So hopefully, it is my goal to get to 1,000 subscribers by October 1st. And October 1st is just the day that my husband starts school. So it's just a random date, but him starting school and me hitting 1,000 subscribers has nothing to do with each other, but it's just the target date. So yeah, this is, and if you want to see basically how I'm using this, this is basically, I'm just doing washi. These dot stickers I made myself, and I'm just using like mild liners and super tips, Crayola super tips and things like that. So it's basically just, just washi taping, a few stickers here and there. Nothing too crazy. I really slimmed down like my decorative planning because I just don't have time lately. But I usually save it mostly for, this is my work planner, and I prep the whole month in my work planner because this planner is I don't have the cover, but it's the one that, let me show you the cover page. You guys will know what I'm showing once I show you the cover page. So this planner that had like that black cover with like the bronze polka dots, and it said 2020 on the cover, that's basically what this planner is. I really like this planner, and the vibes of this planner is very like peachy tones, warm, and this was a dashboard. So this is what it's going to look like for July. And I basically took this planner and Frankenplanned it with the what was it? The homebody. So I'm using the monthly dividers because for work I just like these neutral dividers better. And then I wanted the neutral dashboard inserts to go in this planner. So this is like the dashboard layout from the homebody. So I just Frankenplanned those two planners together so I can get the dividers that I wanted, but the neutral dashboard layout that I wanted. So that's this one. And I don't, I was going to say I don't really do too much, but I do a lot in this one. So this is my birthday week in July. My birthday is the 17th. So yeah, so like I said, I just go through and pre-decorate like the following month so that I'll just be ready to go, and I could take this planner and I can leave it at work if I want to, but for some reason I just haul it back and forth. I have no idea why, but I do. So let's see. So that is my work planner. I feel like I'm Frankenplanning a lot of stuff, but hey, you want what you want. And then this one is actually, you guys might have heard me talk about this in like my original 2020 planner lineup, but this is basically the I'm going to say the Hobonichi Techo. I don't know if I'm saying that right. A5 size, and this is the 5-year planner. So how this basically works, I did like, it comes with this sheet, so I did like a pen test on it, but basically how it works is basically you get a day on each page. So a day on each page, and then each day has 5 years. So this is 2020, 2021, 22, 23, and 24. And then I do plan on picking up the next one, which will be 2025 through 2029. This planner is, not this planner, this, I'm just using it as a journal. And I'm just like taking a little bit of time each day to just write in. I haven't really gotten a routine down of writing in here, so I am inconsistent at the moment. But once I figure out a routine to just like take some time to reflect on my day and just write in here, then I hope to fill this up. Once I figure out how I'm using it, because right now I'm just like writing in it, figuring out what I want in here, like the format, and figure out what pen I want to use, because this is, I don't even know how to say it, Tombow river paper, where it's like super thin and it's not supposed to bleed on either side. But I'll give you guys like the whole rundown of this when I do like an actual flip through and show you how I'm using it. But yeah, basically I'm using this as my 5-year journal. So that is pretty much everything that I'm using for the rest of 2020. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.